Hi guys. Happy Monday or happy Friday if you're the Friday class. We're going to do the vocabulary in the workbook for chapter 15. 10 words in context. Please review your homework in chapter 15, pages 80 to 82, and as usual, correct any mistakes before taking the quiz. The first word is authentic. An authentic Van Gogh painting would cost many millions of dollars, but you can buy a copy of the same painting for very little money. Authentic means real. Characteristic. Lorenzo has his father's characteristic warm smile. Characteristic means usual. Concept. When asked for her concept of heaven, the child said, "A room full of toys." Concept means idea. Confront. My sister confronted the schoolyard bully and told him to pick on someone his own size. Confront means to face. Disrupt. Our cat disrupted my sleep when it pounced on my chest. Disrupt means to cause disorder. Eligible. Because of his grades, my cousin is eligible for a scholarship. Eligible means qualified. Harsh. The harsh king decided to punish the whole village for one man's crime. Harsh means rough. Remote. Humans have explored even the most remote parts of the planet. Areas deep in forest and beneath the seas. Remote means distant. Shallow. The lifeguard at the pool insists that young children stay at the shallow end where they can stand. Shallow means not deep. Thrive. African violets like light, so they should thrive in that sunny window. Thrive means to do very well. All right, matching words with definitions. This starts about halfway down page 81 in our book. Number 1, not deep. Did you choose the word shallow? Number 2, to face or oppose boldly. Did you choose the word confront? Number 3, to grow very well, improve physically. Did you choose the word thrive? Number 4, to cause disorder or confusion. Disrupt. Number 5, qualified to be chosen, desirable as a candidate. Eligible. Number 6, unkind or cruel, strict or severe. Did you choose the word harsh? Number 7, far away, very distant, hidden away. Did you choose the word remote? Number 8, typical of someone or something. Did you choose the word characteristic? Number 9, a general thought, an idea. Did you choose the word concept? Number 10, real, true, actual. Did you choose the word authentic? All right, let's look at sentence check 1. This is a spot check. We'll do some of these questions. We'll skip a couple of them. Number 1, the student assembly, and by the way, this starts at the top of page 82. The student assembly was blanked by a fire drill. So this is a word that starts with the letter D, and I've given you a few of the letters. So if you go back and you look at your choices, you'll see that number 5 is a word that means to cause disorder, right? It starts with a D. Okay, number 2, The preschool teacher tries to help her little students understand the something of sharing. And it's a word that means the idea of something, right? Starts with a C. We have more than one C word on our list, but in fact, I think we've got we have 3 C words, so you're going to have to figure out which one it is. Number 4, some imitation pearl necklaces are so well made that only a jeweler can tell that the pearls are not something that means real, and it's a word that starts with A. All right, let's look at number 5. The creek was so something that the water came up only to my ankles. So, in other words, the creek was not very deep. It was the opposite of that. It was something that starts with SH, right? Number 6, fat, fleshy leaves are something of a cactus. So, this is a word that means a quality that you would expect in something, a quality that would be normal and usual for that thing, right? And in this case, it's going to start with CH. All right, number 7, students must have at least to be average to be something for any of the school sports teams. And this is a word that starts with E. All right, so now let's look at number 9, and again, we're on page 82. Professor Silva studies little known plants in blank parts of Brazil's rainforests. So this is a word that starts with R, and it means that a place is far away, hidden away, hard to get to. Number 10. The sickly child began to something after doctors corrected her heart problems. So this is a verb and it starts with TH, okay? And it means that she began to get better. She began to do well instead of being sick, right? All right, sentence check 2. This is at the bottom of page 82. 1 and 2. Because young children can drown in very little water, the something that they are safe in a something pool is false. A reliable adult must watch them every second. So this first word is going to start with a C, and it's a word that means the idea of something. And then this has to do with how deep the water or not deep the water is, right? And these are your hints. All right. 3 and 4. Tomorrow I'll something our neighbors, Alonzo said, and protest about the way their unleashed alpaca blanks our dog's routine. So the first word, I'll something our neighbors, it means I'll go talk to them, I'll tell them about a problem, right? I'll be brave and I'll tell them something that might not be pleasant to tell them. So it's a word that starts with C, starts with a C, and there's an F in the middle of it and it ends with NT. So I think you should be able to figure it out. And the alpaca is doing what to the dog's routine? Well, it's causing chaos and disorder, and it's a word that starts with DIS. All right, 5 and 6, because she is a biologist, Mia is something to be part of a research team that will study turtles on a something island. So she's something, a word that means that she's qualified to do something, that she'll be allowed to do it, and it starts with EL. And she's going to study turtles on an island that I think is very far away, so it starts with RE. And then 7, 8, the 2 rings looked alike to me, but the jeweler said that only one had the colorful sparkle that is something of an something diamond. So the colorful sparkle that is CHA something, an adjective that means it's the usual, it's what you would expect, a usual quality of a thing, and that is of an, and it's a word that means like real, right? All right, I think that's all we're doing here. Yes. Okay, so when you're ready, go take the quiz. It's called Chapter 15 Vocabulary. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon.